Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. Our market fell for nearly 12 days, 7 straight days of fall and 12 straight days could not take out previous day's high. And then the markets turned around yesterday. The trigger was the treasury buying. But what happened in US and that treasury buying news fizzled out in just one day. So yesterday, the markets fell more than what it gained day before yesterday in US markets. So that shows that clearly, so that trigger was not a good trigger for US markets. Even the bond yield shot up more than what it fell the day before yesterday in US. But that is not the case in India. So that means, logically, today Nifty should wipe out whatever it gained yesterday. But GIFT Nifty is not indicating that. So the GIFT Nifty is indicating 40-50 point higher opening now. So that shows that, so the trigger was the trigger just to cover the shorts, to scare the short sellers. And otherwise, the trigger was not a material trigger. And moreover, the crude oil was inching towards $95, but now it has come down slightly. I think now it is between $93 and $94. But anyway, that headwind is already there. Another 5-6% and crude oil shoots up beyond $100. That may be sentimentally very, very big negative for India. So that is the biggest risk I'm seeing for Indian markets right now. So apart from that, so there is no other risk. And the Nifty moved towards 24,800 on August 3 when the CAS session was introduced. And then from there, continuously falling, and it came to very close to 24,000. So the range for this month is 24,000 to 24,800. That 50% Fibonacci retracement stands around 24,400. So 24,400, is a very, very important resistance now. And what the smart people are doing, yesterday, the huge amount of puts were written at 24,200. So now the people, markets turned around, and now the market participants feel that 24,200 is going to be a very good support, at least until the end of this expiry. Today is Friday, Monday, Tuesday, we have only 3 more trading sessions. And then some other smart people, what they are doing, okay, they are expecting market, Nifty to inch towards 24,400. So those smart people are taking 24,300 short straddle. The 24,300 short straddle, the combined premium is about 200 rupees. So that indicates, 24,100 to 24,500 being the range. And, yesterday one of my friends asked me, sir, 12 days of problem, and now market is going higher. That time she asked me, that was sometimes around afternoon, where the European markets were actually slightly down, and then US futures were actually down. Sir, is this, a dead cat bounce, right? And I said, market continued to fall for 12 trading sessions without any reason. So the same way, market can continue to rise for 12 trading sessions without any reason. So, as an analyst, as a YouTuber, we try to find reason for everything. But sometimes, there is no reason. And only one reason, you remember my gangster analogy, there are 2 gangsters, bulls and bears. So sometimes this gang is become more powerful, keep on hammering the market. The bear gang become dominant and keep on hammering the market keep on falling. And after some time, this bull gang become more dominant, right? So they keep on raising the market. So therefore, there is no fundamental, at least US market, you see, okay, if there is some bad news, market will fall. If there is a good news, market will rise. And for the last 12 trading sessions, why our market fell, there was no negative news, and institutions were buyers, that too for 25,000 to 30,000 crore pumped in. And, then nothing, but market kept on falling. And the more market fall, it will fall further. Why? Because the people who shorted in the beginning, after falling, they will again short, right? Because they can keep a stop loss at a comfortable level. So short, then run, right? So now looks like, this may be the case of run. And otherwise, yesterday, Nifty future moved, 70, 80 point more than what GIF Nifty indicated yesterday morning. The GIF Nifty itself is indicated about 150 points, So here, Nifty future shot up even more than that. Then in the last half an hour, there was some profit booking, and I think about 50, 60 point fell. And now that 50, 60 point is gaining in the GIF Nifty. So now the question is, for 12 trading session, Nifty could not take previous day's high. And we have already discussed, so what has happened in the past when this has happened. So there was a significant rally. So hoping that I book the profit wherever I have a profit in the call option, and I increased my put options. And already my put options are in a huge quantities, but now I'm adding on to it. So now I feel that, 23,800 is going to be a very, very good support. So therefore, I started selling options below 23,800. But of course, for current series, 23,800 put option will be trading less than 10 rupees. So there is no point. So I started selling 23,800 in September series, 23,500 in October series, and so on. So one can be comfortable in selling options below 23,800. But just listening to this, please don't go and do anything. I know how to manage my risk. Okay. So here you just take my statements as my view of the market. And remember, I have right to go wrong. There are many times I've gone wrong. Right? And many times I've gone right. So, when things go wrong, how do we manage? Okay. So we have n number of firefighting strategies. So in fact, our workshop is very, very famous for this firefighting and adjustment strategies. So very soon, we have actually launched, one workshop in Chennai, sometime in late October, and one workshop in BENGALURU, sometimes in the first week of December. So you can check the description. I think some slides will also be shown by my YouTube editors in the video. So, consider, many people are asking, sir, you sometimes you show in a social media, you have this, so you please tell us, sir, okay, remember, if I tell you, you take this trade, okay, that becomes an advisory. So that is not allowed by SEBI, right? So instead of asking me to tell you what trade you should take, okay, consider attending our workshop. And there we explain the things, how we analyze the market and how we take positions, So the people say, teach them how to fish, don't give them the fish. So people want me to give fish, so that's an easy way out. But that's the easy way for you, but that's a very difficult way for me because I will end up with a SEBI inquiry. So instead, and I teach you how to fish so that, I tell you this joke, I know one guy who was running some advisory, right? So 1 year fees is this much, 2 year fees is this much, 1 month fees is this much, lifelong fees is this much. Okay, lifetime subscription, right? So one guy told me, sir, I paid for lifetime subscription, right? So I said, no, whose lifetime? Your lifetime or his lifetime? Okay. I know that guy was having all kinds of medical problems and huge sugar, BP, everything, right? And let me tell you, after this guy paid lifetime membership, that guy died within 6 months. So that guy died within 6 months. Now, who is going to give you the calls, right? Your lifetime subscription is gone, right? So remember, when you pay for lifetime subscription, it is not your lifetime subscription. The one who is giving the calls, that is his lifetime. You will never know what is his lifetime. And even if I give you the trades, okay, what is my lifetime? So I'm at the age of 62, right? So anything after 60, it's a bonus. Okay. So how long the God will give me bonus, that neither you know nor I know. So don't depend on me for trades. Okay. Number one, that is illegal. Number two, you do not know what is my lifetime. So better learn from me, attend the workshop, learn from me, and then you take a decision on yourself. And there are my close friends, who have attended my workshop, then who have attended my mentorship program. Okay. Now they come out with better ideas than what I give. When I give this idea, they say, sir, this looks better than that. So that is like, it's very simple. Like, where is my teacher who taught me in primary school where I am now? So many times people outshine the teachers. So here I'm a teacher and teaching you strategies. Who knows, tomorrow you may be doing better than me, right? So I think I'm doing too much of promotion for my workshop. So let us stop it here. So simple, 24,000 is a major support, 24,600 is a major resistance. So that is the 24,000 to 24,600 for the next 3 days. And then looking at the open interest, 24,200 put option has been added in huge quantities, and 24,300 straddle with a combined premium of 200 rupees is taken by smart people. So don't ask me, sir, who is that smart people? Is it PR Sundar? Okay. So with a 200 point premium, so that shows the range of 24,100 to 24,500. And of course, the people, sellers, they will always do some kind of adjustments, so they know how to manage the things. So this is the picture right now. So it is time to be slightly bullish for the short term and not time to be bearish for the short term. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.